Hey guys, another quick video for the Food and Eating in Japan playlist. We've showed you lots of different flavours of Kit Kat over the years. Here's a couple more. Getting up to cherry blossom season, so we've got Sakura Mochi flavour. So that's cherry blossom mochi. Mochi is the chewy rice confectionery. And this one is Sakura Japanese sake, so Sakura Nihonshu. So interesting, the Sakura flavour is actually the flavour, more of the flavour of the flower. It's not a cherry flavour, it's a cherry blossom flavour, which is sort of a bit different. It's not really cherry flavour. So cherry blossom and sake. So we do get quite a lot of different cherry blossom flavoured things this time of year. We start to get ice cream and all sorts of things that are cherry blossom flavoured, all sorts of sweet, all sorts of confectionery. But yeah, it's not terribly interesting. It's just seasonal. Seasonal things are really popular in Japan. The changing of the seasons and the changing of the flavours and the foods with the seasons are sort of a really big thing in Japan. So people will actually eat things that they're not particularly into just because it's seasonal. So it's sort of taking advantage of that. That's what this is aimed at. And it'll work. People bought it. We buy it. We bought it. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.